Johnny Bone on tape.
See the way now, and the way when they look up, because they say women want to take over the world. When I small, then they tell us say behind every man there's a woman. Now we don't hear beside. They don't change position. Before you know now, in 10 years, you know you're in front of every man. You go down and like play. Until that time when you go just surprise men as una dey oga as you just dey with your baby like this now. Your wife now be governor. Then you with all this baby, you come be first gentleman. It will sound cool to you. That's your wife now. Your wife gonna go security meeting, they build bridge, build road. You gonna go Catholic Women Organization event, they go children party, visit widows, they tie wrapper, they go harvest, they shout in the mama.